The real reason for the deterioration of relations between the European Union and India is lack of trade agreements and mutual trust. SWOT analysis. Strengths. India has a large market, and the European Union has technology and capital. Both have their own strengths. Weaknesses. India's weaknesses. Infrastructure and Europe's weakness is energy dependence. These weaknesses also make them dependent on each other. Opportunities. If this disagreement is resolved, India and Europe can create new markets and growth opportunities for each other. Threats. But if this dispute escalates, China, the United States, and other powers will fill this gap and both will suffer. Statistics. India. Due deposits 0.5%. Volume to 0.20 trillion. Inflation to 0.07%. Unemployment 5.2%. GDP 1.4%. Volume 18 trillion euro. Inflation to 0.0%. Unemployment 6.2%. Potential solutions. Possible solutions. There is only one. India and Europe have to settle their differences through negotiations. Otherwise, this war will be harmful to everyone. The result was, viewers, it was a complete analysis of the differences between India and the European Union, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and dangers, everything in front of you. Now time will decide whether these relations will be broken or connected to this conflict between the European Union and India will be resolved or will it escalate? Be sure to give your opinion in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so that you know the real truth of the world's politics and economy.